morning, guys. It's currently move-in day. We're about to head to Starbucks, grab a coffee, and then we're gonna head into our home. I'm so excited to show you guys the apartment. I'm gonna show you guys an empty apartment tour. Our stuff is not gonna get here until next month, but today we do plan on getting a few things. So let's go. Bye, Hyatt. So we stayed at the Hyatt, was it?
Hyatt House.
The Hyatt House here in Redmond. If you guys are in the area, highly recommend this hotel. The staff is so amazing. The service is so good. Even though they are doing construction across the street, I mean, we heard nothing from our room. And yes, off to Starbucks. Okay, guys, so this is our front door. So when you walk in, the washer and dryer is the first thing you see straight ahead. But I like the doors. I like that it's not like a complete open thing. And then to the right, we have a coat closet. So I'm sitting at the front door. Again, you're looking directly at the washer and dryer. To the left is where everything is. We have this little nook right here. Right now it's just our shoes, but I do plan on putting an entryway table right here, probably with a mirror on top. We'll go into that later. And then I'll just do an overview really quick. I have another little nook right here. I'm not entirely sure what I'm gonna put right here. Honestly, probably just a painting or something, not sure. Okay, so going into the kitchen, we have a ton of storage space, which I love. The refrigerator, no white fridge over here.
I was shocked, honey. I was in tears almost. And it has a white refrigerator. I was like, oh, not a white refrigerator. Girl, please put your shoes on. Let's go find you a home, honey. Ooh.
All right, again, a ton of storage space. Have literally just a regular fridge and freezer. Literally like so much storage space. Love it. All right, moving on. We have the stove, the oven, the microwave. Again, a ton of storage space. We have so much open counters. Oh, I don't even know if I showed this. I'm sure you guys saw though, but we have this ginormous island, which is perfect. Definitely plan on getting bar stools for right here. I don't see us getting a dining room table because where would we put it, right? So this is most likely where we're going to be eating. Depending on what bar stools I get, I don't want to get the ones like that aren't an actual chair. Does that make sense? I don't know. I'll post pictures here of the ones I want, the ones I don't want. So, but yes, ginormous island. Love it. My goal literally is to keep all of this open and put all of our appliances down. The only thing I plan on keeping up here is the coffee maker because essential, right? But everything else I plan on keeping down, and then when I use it, take it out. Storage, storage, storage. Love it. We have a sink, obviously. We have a dishwasher, and then we have more cabinet space over here. So literally room for everything. There's the front door. There's those two nooks I was just showing you guys, and I'm standing in the kitchen right now. By the way, I love the lights in here. They're so cute. So now I'm standing in the kitchen looking onto the living room. When I first looked at this place, I was like, we'll put like a mini dining table right here. That way we have something to sit on, but I feel like it's just in the way of this like walkway right here. I don't know, you guys let me know. Standing in front of the living room, the one thing I love about this apartment is we have vaulted ceilings. When it's Christmas time, your girl's getting a big ass tree. We had a 9-foot tree in Japan. Definitely plan on getting another one. I love big trees. So our couch most likely is going to go on this wall just because the TV outlet is right there. So if you guys remember me telling you, we do have a 75-inch TV. We have two 75-inch TVs. So one's gonna go right here in the living room and the other one's gonna go into our guest bedroom, which I will show you guys in a little bit. Another main thing I love about this house is the big windows. I'm not gonna show outside just for privacy reasons, but ginormous windows. Out there is our balcony. So now I am standing in the living room showing you guys the kitchen and Milana. Hi, honey. Just love the ceilings. I can just picture this big Christmas tree right here, guys. Vision it with me. Come on. So, all right. So now I'm going to show you guys the guest rooms. Come on. Okay. So to the right is one room. The good thing about each room is that you're able to control the temperature in each room, which we love. So I'm standing in the corner. It's a pretty good sized room. And then just your standard closet. We have a window right there and then a window right here, but I'm not gonna show it again because it is halfway open and I don't wanna go close it, privacy reasons. So coming out of this room, there's a bathroom, another room, and then there's everything I was just showing you guys. So this is the bathroom. This is your bathroom, right?
It's our bathroom. And I take a bath.
You have to take a bath, yeah.
And go in the water.
So everything in here is so modern. I love it. I love the sleek handles. So literally just your standard bath. Another great thing I love, so much storage. So this will most likely be our linen closet should we have guests over, and then we have the shower and bath, and we have Lolo. Hi.
Hi.
Okay, now let's go look at the other room. Okay, so coming out of the bathroom, this is the room to the right. Now This one is much bigger. This one does have a vaulted ceiling. Again, you can control the temperature in here. This room is beautiful. I love it. And in here you do have the double windows, so there's gonna be a ton of natural light in here, which I love. The standard closet. So I'm just gonna stand here in the corner. Honestly, I would say it's about the same size as the other bedroom. The only difference is the vaulted ceiling. This would be the kids' room, but I believe this wall is connected to somebody, and you know, they just make a lot of noise. So I would rather have them be in the room where they're not connected to anybody. That way the only people that are really hearing them are the people below. This is going to be our guest bedroom / our homeschooling room. I cannot wait to show you guys plans I have for this room. It's gonna be so great. The other 75-inch is going to be in here for the guests / the kids. Yeah. Okay, so that's the room we were just in, kids' room, bathroom. Straight across is our bedroom. So again, when I first saw this place, I was like, oh yeah, we can totally put a little dining room set here. I don't know, because now that I'm thinking about it, it won't seem too bad because the TV and couch are gonna be over there. You know, I don't know. You guys let me know. Let me know. Help me. Comment. All right, show them ours. So this is me and Cyrus's room. This is our room, right? So I'm standing in the corner. This is our master. Our bed most likely is gonna go here. We are gonna have a TV, just a small TV in here. We have this little mini hallway, and then we have our closet. This is our walk-in closet. Love it. There's a lot of space in here. I don't know, with the door opening this way, I kind of want to add one more like shelving unit here, just because Cyrus and I sort of have a lot of clothes, but I plan on using these just for shoes. And then this is the bathroom. Not going to show myself because I look busted.
There's my bathroom.
Yes, we do have one sink, a ton of storage space down there, and then we just have a shower and bath, and then a toilet. And that's pretty much it for the master bedroom. That's pretty much it for our apartment. So this is our new home for the year. The only thing I have to figure out though is the AC because it's hot. So I've just opened the window right here and the balcony door, and there's just so much natural light in here. I absolutely love it. So much natural light. Like, it's gonna be so good, you guys. Okay guys, so that is our home. We're just gonna unpack some things. Again, our stuff isn't gonna be here until next month, but we do plan on buying some things today, so